What do you need now with your hearing aids?
So I asked my audiologist if I can have two programs so that we can try both ways tomorrow. So the first program will be I would use one in my only in the left hearing aid because my right hearing aid is fine. The left hearing aid, I'm gonna ask him if he can change the volume to 1 decibel down. The second program will be only the high frequency 1 decibel down so that I can see what is troubling me.
That's really good. Excellent.
Thank you.
So we will do one on this Friday, wait for a week, and then again do the second setting the following week and try with that. That's a great idea. But which one would you prefer first?
I'm gonna try the volume first, and then we will just understand and hear everything, and then I will only see tomorrow. Like what do I choose, and then I will see how it sounds.
Okay, I think we are set. We are getting closer to finalizing our settings.
Yeah.
I'm sure we'll figure it out sooner or later now. Now just hear the vibrations.
I do hear vibrations though. In my voice especially. There.
A lot?
It's there. It's not like so much like the first time I had it, but it's
So
definitely
it's not
there.
good. The setting is not good.
I can't tell. It's only 1 minute. I just tried it.
Yeah, you need to use it for some time.
You want to walk around and see?
I don't know.
I'll ask them what time till what time they are open. And the setting that was there before this, it's only just loudness, is it? No vibration.
There was vibrations in that. There was vibrations. I can hear the vibration there.
Okay.
So I'm saying is.
Should we try the second setting now?
Just switch it off.
I don't know which
Switch it
hearing
on.
aid
Switch
it
it off. Switch it off.
Not she switched it off and switched it off. Can I take off my mask?
Yeah,
sure.
you can.
When I said two, okay, I don't think it's there anymore, but what did he do? No, I don't think it's there.
Good. So it's basically in the left hearing aid on the higher frequencies, 1 decibel less. That's all.
There's high frequency somewhere very loud. Vibrations are better.
Vibrations are better, but volume is high.
Volume is fine also.
Then what is not okay?
That is gone. Vibrations is there, but like he said that you have to manage it in some way. So I think it's okay. I think for now I'll try this at home.
Do you want one more down or it's okay?
The left hearing aid high frequency is a little louder.
High frequency is still louder.
He did reduce one, right?
Yeah.
Let me see which hearing aid it is. Vibrations is there in the right hearing aid without the left hearing aid, but okay.
You want to try the other program once again?
Let me try one more time.
Yeah.
Vibrations are
Yeah,
better,
yeah.
but high frequency is still a little loud in the left hearing aid.
In the left.
Okay.
Can you hear what I said?
What?
When I said both hearing aids, somewhere there was vibration. In the somewhere in both hearing aids, somewhere in both hearing aids, somewhere in both hearing aids. There are vibrations there,
Hmm.
Yeah, bye.
Not better at all.
but it's better than before. It's better than the previous setting.
Prisha,
It's
was
just
that better when before we went to Krefeld on Monday? The vibrations were better, right?
Yeah. Wait, I don't know. I'm still testing.
Not this one. When we went on Monday, before going, the vibrations were better, or
They're better.
Before going to
Yeah.
Krefeld,
yeah,
vibrations were even more high.
they were.
After we went to Krefeld,
Yeah, okay.
yeah. Right. After we went to Krefeld, vibrations are better, but volume was loud and high frequency was loud.
Okay.
It's like one cannot handle with each other. It's
Okay.
like that. It's like a protein effect.
So now what would you like to change?
High frequency I would like to change. Volume is perfect. Vibrations is there, but I might have to test it a little longer.
So you want to reduce 1 more decibel in frequencies, high frequency?
I wish I can, but I think it will increase the vibration. So I don't know what to do now. Because it's like the volume and the vibration, volume and high frequency are opposing each other with the vibration. They cannot handle each other. It's like that. But it's still loud for me. Vibrations are better, but they are still there in long speeches.
So let's try
Also ich habe jetzt die Einstellung mit dem gesamten Verstärkungsbereich.
It's schon.
Und das soll sie jetzt probieren?
Ja, bitte.
Okay.
Ich muss einmal ganz kurz auf eine andere Leitung ans Telefon gehen. Hallo Geldern, Daniel.
Okay, tell me.
How does it feel now? How is the setting now? Because Mr. Mangala feels this would be the best setting for you.
Huh?
This would be the best setting for you. That's his feeling. Because what he has done.
No vibration. It's there, but it's not so strong.
Okay.
It's there, but it's not so strong. Volume is still loud. Now, when I reduced it, one is better. What else can I say? I need to say something. Tell me what
So
to
let's
say.
talk. Let's talk.
Let's talk.
So
What about your homework?
homework, what is the best, your best topic, your favorite topic?
Okay.
Okay.
That's not my favorite topic. For my art project, I'm gonna do charcoal, and they are good. No vibration.
yeah.
It's sharp.
Your next project is charcoal. After
Yeah, we are
this
doing
portrait.
charcoal.
After that, I'm gonna do charcoal, but I'm not doing portrait charcoal.
Wow, that's going to be good. I'm waiting for
What
it.
did he do?
I'll tell you later. You don't worry about that.
No, I'm just talking.
Don't worry. That's what he says. So don't. He said tell Prisha not to worry about what I have done. It's a soup. You like it. You taste it. You like it. Don't worry how the soup was made. How much of sugar is there. How much of salt is there. Everything.
Okay.
So you don't worry about that.
Everything is definitely better. I think I will try it at home, but the volume might be a little loud. But I think I should try it at home first.
You should try it. You should try it for a week. If volume is the only issue, then I can tell him to reduce it by 1 more decibel, and we'll come back next week.
I
Even
hope
in the middle of the
volume
week.
is the only issue.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's like they're opposing forces, but
Perfect. So I'll tell Mr. Mangala.
I think for now, I'm gonna take this home.
Okay.
Okay, great.